Okay, so our great uncle, P.S. Warrior, rather, his family was from Calicut, a place called Balusheri. And from there, during the invasion of Tipu Sultan, they had to, you know, move out from there. And they ran to the royal family in Trivandrum,
Okay.
the Sri Padmanabha temple,
Yes.
which that belongs to the royal family there. So after he left, Tipu Sultan left, they came back. So while coming back, most of his family members, some stayed in one place, then some came to another place, they stayed there, and he and his family came and stayed in Kottakkal.
Meaning his two sisters, mother,
Yes,
father,
yes,
the whole family.
yes. So when he came and stayed here, only because the Trivandrum royal family and the royal family in Kottakkal, the the Zamorins that we call here,
Yes.
yeah,
Zam-
they
Zamorans.
are related.
Okay.
So that's how they said you can come and stay here, and that's how you know they gave us some place to stay, and that became our ancestral property.
Okay.
So it's from there everything started. So he had at that time he wanted to study Ayurveda, and he went and studied Ayurveda under uh,
Moves.
Moose.
Ashtavedya.
Yes, and that's how it all started. And then when he came here, then rest all his history, which is written everywhere, as to he prescribed medicine, and those days it wasn't bottled.
Right. So he started bottling.
Yeah, so no, he actually gave a prescription to a patient,
Okay.
and the patient, what happened that he went to the market. He didn't buy all the ingredients. He just bought about some ingredients, and he had that medicine. But his disease, what was there in him, didn't go.
Uh-huh.
So my Dr. P.S. Varia asked him as to what all did you buy, or do one thing, you go buy all these things and come, let me see as to what you bought. So he went and bought.
At that time, basically, all the herbs were bought in the market.
Bought the
and
market.
You make it yourself.
Yes, yes. So he came and showed it. So that is when he realized that certain ingredients were missing in it.
Uh-huh.
So that is how he had the idea that if he doesn't bottle and give the medicine to the patient,
Prepared, already prepared.
this science of Ayurveda, it will diminish in no time.
Okay.
Because by the time the British had started its invasion,
I see.
so that's how he started it. 1902. That's when he started Ayurvedishala. So before that, British was here.